Welcome, everyone, to this presentation on the updated Foley catheter care procedure. Today, we will be discussing the essential steps for maintaining a Foley catheter and ensuring patient comfort and safety. As of present updates, these guidelines represent the latest best practices for Foley catheter care in our healthcare facility. A Foley catheter, also known as an indwelling urinary catheter, is a common medical device used to manage urinary retention or incontinence in patients. Proper catheter care is crucial to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, and other complications associated with catheter use. The purpose of this update is to align our catheter care practices with current evidence-based guidelines to enhance patient outcomes. Always perform hand hygiene with soap and water or alcohol-based hand sanitizer before and after any contact with the catheter or the patient. Clean hands are essential to minimize the risk of introducing harmful microorganisms into the urinary tract. Here is the cleaning procedure for Foley catheters. 1. Gather supplies. Prepare all necessary supplies, including clean gloves, mild soap, clean water, clean towel, and a catheter care solution as recommended by the healthcare facility. 2. Patient positioning. Ensure the patient is in a comfortable position, and expose the catheter insertion site while maintaining their privacy. 3. Glove up. Put on clean, disposable gloves to reduce the risk of infection during the cleaning process. 4. Cleaning the perineal area. Gently clean the perineal area around the catheter insertion site using mild soap and water. 4. Pay close attention to any areas with visible debris or secretions. 5. Rinsing. Thoroughly rinse the cleaned area with clean water to remove any soap residue, which could cause skin irritation. 6. Drying. Pat the area dry gently with a clean towel. 6. Avoid excessive rubbing or irritation to the skin. 7. Catheter tubing. Ensure the catheter tubing is free of kinks or obstructions to allow proper urine flow. Regularly empty the catheter drainage bag to prevent urinary retention and reduce the risk of infection. Follow the facility's policy on the frequency of catheter bag emptying to maintain proper urinary drainage. To prevent complications, encourage patients to stay hydrated to maintain good urine flow and reduce the risk of catheter blockage. Promote proper perineal hygiene in patients with indwelling catheters to minimize the risk of infection. Avoid unnecessary catheter use and consider alternative options when appropriate. Monitoring patients with Foley catheters for any signs of infection, such as fever or increased urinary frequency, is crucial. Additionally, document catheter care procedures, catheter-related assessments, and patient responses in the medical records. Proper Foley catheter care is vital for patient comfort and safety. Following evidence-based guidelines can help reduce the risk of complications and improve patient outcomes. Let's work together to implement these updated catheter care procedures for the benefit of our patients. Thank you for your time and commitment to providing the best care for our patients. Your dedication is essential in implementing these updated Foley catheter care practices.